In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a footer in Klaviyo. A well-designed footer is essential for any email template, as it not only provides important company information, but also adds a professional touch to your communications. Let's dive into the steps to create an effective footer for your Klaviyo emails. First, you'll want to start by dragging a text block from the left sidebar panel. This is where all of your layout elements are located, and the text block is what you'll use to input all the necessary information for your footer. Once you've located the text block, simply click and hold it, then drag it down to the very bottom of your email layout canvas. This is where your footer will reside, providing a consistent and clear structure for your email. Now that you've positioned the text block, click inside it to activate the editing mode. This will bring up the formatting toolbar, which you'll use to input and format your footer content. In this section, you'll want to include crucial company information. Start with your organization name, as this is the first piece of information your recipients will see. Make sure it's clear and easy to read, as it represents your brand identity. Next, type out your physical mailing address. Including your physical address is not only a best practice, but often a legal requirement, especially if you're adhering to regulations such as the CAN-SPAM Act, which is crucial for email marketing compliance. Double-check that your address is accurate and up-to-date to avoid any potential issues. While these are the basic elements needed for your footer, feel free to customize and add additional information that might be relevant to your audience. For instance, you could include links to your social media profiles or a brief disclaimer about your email practices. This can enhance engagement and transparency with your recipients. As you type out your information, use the formatting toolbar to adjust the text size, font, and alignment to match the overall design of your email. Consistency in design is key to maintaining a professional look and feel across all your communications. Consider setting your text to a size and color that are easy to read, ensuring accessibility for all users. Once you're satisfied with how the footer looks, take a moment to preview your email. Klaviyo offers a preview function that allows you to see how your email will appear to recipients. This is a great way to catch any formatting errors or typos before your email goes live. It's always a good idea to send a test email to yourself or a colleague to ensure everything displays correctly across different email clients. Remember, the footer is more than just a place for information, it's an opportunity to reinforce your brand's identity and build trust with your audience. By taking the time to craft a clear and professional footer, you contribute to a positive user experience and enhance the overall quality of your email marketing efforts. And there you have it. You've successfully created a footer in Klaviyo. This simple guide has shown you how to add a crucial element to your emails that not only informs but also engages your audience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your email marketing strategies.